Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial video. On this video we're going to be going over on how to create your own contact form. So over here I have a little contact us page on my website and I'm going to be inserting a contact form right over here. So to start off we're going to go on this little plus icon over here to add an element. I'm going to go down to contact form, click on that. Over here you can see the types of forms that we have, and also for a Skype you can choose any of these that you would like. I'm just going to choose this one. I'm going to center it over here. And first, to start editing, we're going to right click, go to appearance, and over here you can select what style you would like your contact form to be, or you could also add a style. I'm just going to go ahead and add a style. As always, I'm going to leave it a tutorial, confirm, click that, and we're going to edit our style. On this page over here, you can edit your form label, like so. Your colors, you can add your field style, for example, your background color, your placeholder color, label color, border color, and all of this, and etc., etc. You can also edit your border style. For example, I'm just going to put 40 over here so you guys see how it looked like. It would round up your left corners over here. If I wanted to round up the right ones, I'll just select it like so, and all of them will be rounded up. Down here you can select the style of button that you would like. You can select the background color of the button, the colors and everything, etc., etc. You guys seen this before. You can also edit your subtitle font right over here. You can just change it to whatever you like. You can edit the font on mobile and your subtitle font on mobile. Once you guys done that, you can go back and return, and you just want to select it and close it down. After that, we're going to go over here, right click and click on configure. This is the last thing that we're going to go over. And here you can configure how you're going to receive your email response to this one on the left right hand side, or the default. This over here, you would select a URL destination for your action after someone has submitted, and you can also select a method that you want your information to be sent. We'll go ahead and cancel and go to the other one. On this one, if you click on edit, you can edit the email that you want to receive the information in, the subject of the email that you are going to get, the list of coupons that you want to link to this form, and you can also edit the action that you want to take after you're sending it. So over here, once you click on that, you can see that you can send it to a page, a web address, a downloadable document, or just a pop-up. We're going to close that, and you can also lastly edit the automatic message. For example, when someone submits it, they get a congratulations message. You can edit this message right over here. You can just put anything that you would like and confirm. Your message will be edited. And once you guys do that, you guys can go ahead and click on confirm. Mine's not going to let me because I didn't put any emails, but you guys get the idea. Once you guys done this, you guys are basically set with your contact form. This is going to be it for the video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.